All right, ladies, I thought it might be easy since we're not meeting for class today for me to explain the few things that you need to do over the weekend and before Wednesday. So we are almost done with chapter 6A. We've done comparisons, we've done superlatives. On Schoology for today, you'll find a couple of things that are really helpful. So first, I want to explain to you what you need to do today. And just when you're watching this video, you will see that this is posted in an update with this video. So before anything else, make sure you watch this video and then make sure that you fill out that Google form to take attendance. So I want to walk you through the three things that you're going to be working on in the next few days. Um, you're going to do a comparisons homework number 2. Let's just go to your 6A folder. Okay. Um, let's go to your homework folder. So you've already done all these homeworks. There are two things that are due on Monday. The first one is this comparisons homework number 2 right here. You have one attempt, so use it wisely. But before you do that, if you want to do the comparisons optional homework practice, I'm going to make a video with the answers and also upload those if you want to look at it. Also, this comparisons homework, in just a few minutes, you're going to see a video of me going through those answers as well as the posted answers in the right below here. So you can do those two things. Since this is for a grade, I would recommend doing these two before. So that's your first homework assignment that's due Monday. The second homework assignment that's due Monday is chapter 5 of Pobreana. The scan will be right here in just a second. I have to add that. In case you forget any of this, it is on Planboard for the day. One more thing you need to start looking at, which you've seen in your update, is your 6A project. Instead of recording a video, we're going to present, you and your partner are going to present to me over Google Meet. Some of you will go during class time on Wednesday, and then some of you will have an assigned time on Wednesday in that 12 to 3 gap that you have to work on school stuff. So I will send you out your time early next week. But I wanted to, first things first, your groups are down here. A1 is here, B1 is here. Make that black. Okay, so there's your partners. I kind of want to walk you through what you're going to do. So I don't know how much of you, if you know this, but so this chapter we've been talking about your room and how to describe all the things in your room, that kind of stuff. So you're going to go to a website called Zillow. I don't know if any of you have ever been on this, but I kind of wanted to explain. Zillow is a real estate website. So it's where you look for houses. It's if you're trying to rent or buy or sell. It's actually really fun. You can kind of look through a bunch of houses for sale. So I live in Hyde Park. Let's look at my neighborhood just to see what's for sale. Let's look for sale. Why not? So you type in your zip code, and then you can see all the houses for sale in the certain neighborhood that you're looking at. Ladies, if you want to live in California, go for it. If you want to live in New York City, go for it. I don't care. I don't care where you live. You can stay in Ohio, you can go somewhere else. So this is the site that you're going to be using. So let's say I want to look at this house. Um, what you're going to be doing is you're going to find 2 bedrooms and talk about the bedrooms on Zillow. So let's see if we can find a room down here. I like this house. Okay, so here's a bedroom, right? It has all the furniture that you're going to describe. It has the bed, it has the pillows, it has the fan, the door, all that kind of stuff. So this is the site that you're going to use to find your 2 different bedrooms. So let's go back to here. You're going to be with a partner. You each need to find 2. You're going to use the present screen to show the rooms while you'll present. So on Wednesday, I will send you a Google Meet. You and your partner I think the easiest way for you to do this would be to make a Google Slides or a PowerPoint and you present your screen so I can see. Okay? Each partner will describe both of their rooms. After you share all your information, you will ask each other about the rooms in Spanish. So you're kind of pretending that you haven't really talked to your partner, like you're trying to make it like a presentation. So after you have found your rooms and prepared to speak about them, I might ask you some questions as well. If you want to snip the pictures and put them on a PowerPoint, that might be easier. Okay, let's see. Here are the requirements for the room. Again, I will send you your time. I actually think to present the screen, you need to invite me on Google Meet. I'll play around with that, so just be ready to go on Wednesday. I'll be grading them on the spot, so you should have your grades very soon after that. Make sure that each partner is speaking equally and practice several times. Remember, you're only presenting to me, you're not presenting in front of your class. I'm really looking forward to see what you come up with. So that is our game plan for Monday. Monday, I'm going to teach you superlatives. We'll do a practice with that on Monday. And then you will have like one more open note quiz. You'll have your video presentations, and we are done with chapter 6A. So that is kind of the gist. Again, check back on Schoology to look for those videos, uploaded notes. I'm going to put the recording from class on Wednesday if you want to go back and kind of reteach yourself some comparisons. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email from 10 to 12, or you can call me on my Google Voice number. Either are fine, and I hope you have a great weekend.